I've got the machine loaded up with some 38 micron PVC, quite thick really for shrink film, so can be a bit troublesome from time to time with sealing issues, etc. But this machine's got a new sealing system, so here we go. This is the pill box that's available on my TikTok, one of my videos. I should stick that into the shrink film, and it's probably a little bit too far forward, so I just drag that forward a little bit there, that across there. I bring the seal arm down, one positive move, cuts, seals and shrinks, releases, and there we have a shrunk wrapped product. Look at that, how beautiful is that, eh? So let's put something else in. Let's go with, say, the Smart 7 HD by Infinix, which is also available in one of my other videos. Let's bring that in, let's pull that film tray forward a little bit more, all the way to the stop, the bump stop, and across to the seal area. Make sure the film's not taut. Bring the arm down, one positive move, a little bit of pressure, cuts, seals, shrinks. Let it finish, opens the cycle, and he is tucked with some wide level. Look at that. How beautiful is that, eh? Can you see that? What a perfect pack. And last but not least, my latest product that's going to be, I'm going to do a demo video of this one. This is the C32 by Nokia. Nokia into Android phones. There's a blast in the past. But there you go. Cross again to the seal area. Make sure the film's not taut. One solid action. A little bit of pressure. Let it ease away. Any ears, tuck them in whilst it's warm. And there you go. About that. Lovely shrunk wrapped items. If you make your own stuff and you need a shrink wrapper, I'm your man.